back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Antideke. If today's your first on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so today we're going to continue in our learning of Yoruba numbers. If you remember a few videos back, I can't remember when exactly now, but if you go through my videos, you will see where I taught 1 to 10 and then 11 to 20. So we're going to be learning today from 20 to 30, and then we will learn 30 to 40 some other time, and then we'll learn 40 to 50, okay, some other times, okay. So as you know, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of 3 in Yoruba. Ení o, èjì o, ẹ̀ta o, ya, ẹ̀kaàrọ̀, ẹ̀kaàsán, ẹ̀kaalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò yìí níbi gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Antideke. Ní ti tòní a máa kọ́ nípa, a máa tẹ̀síwájú nínú òǹkà èdè Yorùbá. Tí ẹ bá rántí níbi fọ́nrán bíi mélòó kan sẹ́yìn, a kọ́ nípa òǹkà èdè Yorùbá látorí 1 dórí 10. A tún tẹ̀síwájú nú ẹ̀, a kọ́ láti 10 dórí 20. Ní ti tòní a máa kọ́ látorí 20 dé orí 30. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni mo máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. So guys, like I said earlier, we're going to be learning for today from 20 to 30, okay? And then some other time we'll be learning 30 to 40. Maybe we should do that next week. And then the week after we do from 40 to 50, all right? If you remember, Ogun is 20. Ogun is 20. Then remember that you have 1 is Okun, right? And because you are adding 1 to 20, 2 to 20, 3 to 20, respectively, and so on and so forth, okay? We're going to be doing the addition. I remember I taught you a trick, okay, when we're learning the initial numbers, okay? I said between 11 and 15, okay, you're adding. And between 15 to 20, you're deducting, okay? Also, the same applies as well to the rest of the numbers, okay? From 21 to 25, you are adding. From 25 to 30, you're deducting. Let's get cracking, okay? So 20 is Ogun. If we are to add 1 to 20, it will be Ọ̀kànlélógún. Ọ̀kànlélógún. You know already 1 is Ọ̀kan, so it's Ọ̀kànlélógún, okay? You know your number 2 is Èjì, okay? It is Èjìlélógún. 3, you know, is Ẹ̀ta. And if you're adding that to 20, okay, that is Ẹ̀tàlélógún. All right. 4 is Ẹ̀rin. That is Ẹ̀rìnlélógún. Okay. Now from 25, it all changes. Okay. Now 30 is Ọgbọ̀n. Okay. And if you're deducting 5 from 30, okay, it will give you 25. That is the idea behind it, okay? So it is ọgbọ̀n dín is a minus. Àrùndínlọ́gbọ̀n, which means that 5 deducted from 30 will give you what? 25, okay? Also, 26 will be what? That will be 30. That will be 30 minus 4, or give you 26, okay? So the same thing applies, okay? So the same applies to 27, okay? If you deduct 3 from 30, you're going to get what? 27. And you know your 3 is Ẹ̀ta. So it's Ẹ̀tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n, okay? 28. From 2 from 30 is going to give you 28. So that is Èjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. Okay, and you know your 1 is ọ̀kan. Okay, so that is ọ̀kándínlọ́gbọ̀n. And then 30 is ọgbọ̀n. Did you get that? Okay, so I'm going to take it again from the beginning, all right? So it is from 20 is ogún, 21 is ọ̀kànlélógún, 22 is èjìlélógún, 23 is ẹ̀tàlélógún, 24 is ẹ̀rìnlélógún, 25 is àrùndínlọ́gbọ̀n. Okay? 26 is ẹ̀rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n, 27 is ẹ̀tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n, 28 is èjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n, 29 is ọ̀kándínlọ́gbọ̀n, and then 30 is ọgbọ̀n. Did you get that? Did you get that? Okay, so that's the idea behind Yoruba numbers. From 21 to 24, you're doing the additions. From 25 to 30, you're doing the subtractions. You understand? And that is the rule throughout Yoruba numbers, okay? As long as you know your 1 to 5, you will survive the big numbers. They're not as difficult as they seem, okay? All right then, guys. Thank you again for your time today. And as you know, I will be catching up with you next week where we're going to be learning from 30 to 40, okay? As you know, we'll be saying our goodbye together on the count of 3. Ení o, èjì o, ẹ̀ta o, ó yá.